In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ASUS Chromebook not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any specific Chromebook model from ASUS, you will be able to follow the steps in this video to address any issues attributed to your Chromebook. So to start with basic checks, first check the power source and the charger or the power connector. Ensure that it is truly connected and that the laptop is getting sufficient power. So there should be some sort of LED indicator telling you that it is getting charged. If you notice that the indicator does not appear or it isn't getting charged, then you will have to switch out the actual power connector. You can also try plugging it into a different power outlet to determine if the problem is with the actual charger or the outlet that you are using. So once you eventually get to the point where it is getting sufficient battery and it is being charged, then what you can try to do is first allow it to charge fully. If you are willing to wait, letting it charge fully is going to help resolve any issues attributed to it not powering on. You can try following ahead without letting the battery reach 100%, and all that you have to do if you just want to proceed is to press the power button once you believe that it is sufficiently charged. See if it works, and if it doesn't, then like I said, wait for it to get to 100% and then try again. If it is still giving you trouble, the next thing that I would recommend is to press and hold the power button for up to a minute. Doing this will flush out all of the capacitors, ensuring that any residual power that might be stored within them is going to be, like I said, flushed out. So press and hold the power button for up to a minute and all of the power will be cleaned up. With this done, you can once again let it charge fully and then press the power button normally. If it still does not work, even after flushing out the capacitors, it could be a hardware issue. If you are comfortable, take off the back cover by undoing any necessary screws and then taking a look. I wouldn't recommend doing much here, but you will be able to check for any loose connectors. And if you notice that there is a connector loose, then you will be able to gently press it back into place. As long as you ensure that all of the connections have been established properly, and that everything looks okay, you will be good to go. If you notice that the battery is swollen or anything like that, then the best course of action would be to talk to the ASUS customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS Chromebook not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.